Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 home screen settings. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to set or change the home screen of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to press and hold on a empty place and then select home settings. Just select the option and here you can easily choose and change the settings of your home screen. If you want to change your on-screen styles, just select it, and here you have different styles. You can easily choose the style which you want, and after that, here's the home screen layout. Just select it, and here you can easily choose layout of your home screen which you want. And after that, you have the sliding effect. Just tap on it, and here you will get different sliding effects of your home screen. You can easily set one of them which you want, and after that just go back and here open the home settings again, and here you have any other setting. Here's the Google Discover. If you have enabled this settings, you will get a Google Discover page on your home screen. But if you want to disable this, you just have to open the phone's home screen settings, and here you have to disable the settings, and after that you will not get any Google Discover page on your home screen. So let's see if there are any other settings. So here icon autofill, and here the app icon badges, and here some more different settings. So that's how you can easily set your home screen of your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.